Good morning, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with the Morning Flash Update. And this update is for the morning of Tuesday, the 16th of April, 2024. Hope you got your taxes in the United States. We're sitting here now at 8:25 a.m. Central Time. We did have some economic data this morning. We had the Red Book retail sales, and they're still strong as can be. I mean, I remember when we were looking each week, were they up 3 to 4%? Now the question is, it's between 4 and 5%. But what did get hit hard, and I don't know why, is housing starts down 14.7%, and the permits were down 4%. The markets weren't expecting numbers like this, so they were expecting declines, but this is 4 times the amount of the decline, 3 times the amount right in there. The Federal Reserve industrial production came out flat. They expected up 0.4. They got to 0.4. They were looking for capacity at 78.5, 78.4. No problems there. You were a little stronger in the industrial production in February in a revisionment, and a bit weaker in the capacity utilization. Nothing there that I see that's going to move the markets one way or the other. But as you know, the stock market got hit hard yesterday, so you're getting a bounce today. But I think that the warning signal is out that this market might be ready for a correction. So I think you've got to take a defensive action instead of being as aggressive as I thought you could be on these breaks. Now you've got to go back and say, okay, maybe I should be trimming back even a little bit further, let the correction set in if that's it. And the reason and what's leading me to it is we don't even get a bounce in the 5 and the 10-year futures, which means interest rates continue to surge forward. We're looking at a good-sized break today happening in all the grain markets. When I say good size, nothing going on. 3 to 5 cents either way isn't very much. Bitcoin made a new break low down to 61,860. And as I told traders, you got to start being very careful right here. You're getting into the halving now. That happens on April 20th when for the same effort you put forth, you only get half as much. So that means you got to put in twice the effort to get a Bitcoin, twice the cost to get a Bitcoin. That's an awful lot. Dollar's still a little bit stronger today. You can see you're getting a back and forth action. In the end, I guess the market hasn't found the point where the Bank of Japan, wants to step in and defend it because traders have pushed it through the 152 level, pushed it into the 153, 154 now. And they said that they would come in and support the market when they saw the volatility was excessive. I guess because the market is leaking away, rather than plunging, they consider that normal. I don't know, but they certainly haven't stepped in yet, but that threat lures over the market. When it happens, maybe you get a 100-point bounce or so, unless the bank says something that nobody is ready for. I want to remind you that each morning I come out and at early morning, 5 in the morning, I start my futures review. And the reason I do it then, I'm even thinking of going to 6 in the morning, to be honest with you, a little bit later, is I try to make sure that for the folks on the East Coast where it's at, might be better off doing a little more to help our European subscribers as well. We have quite a few of them. And as we look at how the markets go, I cover the morning review of what's going on, what's happening in Asia, what's going on in Europe, if anything big, and then I start moving into the buy and sell ideas with it. And the charts look very much like that. In my new charting course, I really cover this in great detail. You get technical analysis, the fundamentals, and of course, entry points, specific. Buy here, sell there, do this. And that is exactly what we're trying to catch. I cover all these markets, and there's over 40 charts covered on each of the morning videos. I try to keep them 15 to 20 minutes long, no more than that. And the cool thing is in the bottom of them, there's an area where you pull a scroll bar if you're on the website, and it'll tell you what area you're in. So let's assume you wanted to go right to the metals. Just go to the metals. Energies, just draw it to the energy market. It makes it easy for you to go with. And if you get my full research, well, then you're getting daily updates of what I'm saying there. If I change my mind, make modifications, that's where those all come in, and then the whole process starts again in the morning. It's only, folks, for 30 days, in other words, a full month, calendar month, $7.95 to give it a try. $7.95 for the futures. If you take the two of them together, we give you a special on that price too. come on, give yourself a try with all this. I think you'll find that the combination of them is the way to go, but you can get it even better. Go to our website, iraepstein.com. Under the word research, everything is laid out there, fully explained for you. You can also click up here at any point. You'll see an icon, it'll take you there. I'm Ira. Hope to see you in those morning videos because that's where the real action is. You take care.